Hi there, Melody from WTI.
This Rywell dog grooming vacuum allows you to develop that extra little bonding that you want with your pet when you groom or brush them. It's super easy to put together. It has 3 different powers on here and 3 different noise levels, so you're going to make sure that your little fur baby is comfortable. It comes with all these different attachments to cut your dog's hair. No matter the length, you got all these different guides of the clippers, whether it's long hair or short hair. And don't let the size of this dog grooming vacuum make you think twice about getting it. It may be small, but the 1.5 liter dust cup that it offers will handle a lot of fur and debris from your babies. And the quick release lid allows for hassle-free emptying. I love the filter that it has in here, and again, it's super easy to clean, ensuring that you've got a nice air quality in the home. Equipped with the powerful electric clipper, a de-shedding brush, a grooming brush, this all-in-one vacuum covers your pet's grooming needs, making sure you get professional quality results. And don't you love this end result?
And that is my point of view.